again. You don't know? The other store is here and stole it. My thing. They got banned. Okay, but this time there was a new stolder on it. This is my TV right here, and they don't know. I am sitting here, and you say this new store is here, but this is hardest in the world. You have to be careful on it. Yeah, the hardest in the world. You don't know what's happening. My chest is this. I need that someone open my door. Maybe someone just run away there and threw my. But I knew this. But his name was R. Epic Girl 12. Yeah, Epic Girl 12 on it. She was like here, and also she hide by a living game and run away. So that's she gonna be. That girl was so clever, and no one can catch him and ban him. Girl. So that you have to be careful of them. Okay, right? Yeah. If she was live and make it them. My chest is gone. You guys, you have to do that. Be careful with this. Okay. 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 I'm leaving, guys. Guys, today we are going to respect my name. Okay. EPI. No, CI. No, IC on it. And also TIRMN 21. This is where they did. So guys, this is where they that from. Yes. So that she was like this. Yes. She is this. She stole anything of it, and but she can't ban and report on it. Be careful, guys, that she gonna be stolen our things. Okay, goodbye, guys, and watch more video and subscribe and like now. And also, watch out for this goal. Goodbye. Mwah.